Everybody, and welcome back to another series. And now we are playing Final Fantasy 3 Pixar Remastered. So now this is the new series of the Final Fantasy Marathon I'm making. So I hope you many things I will say. This is the foundation of job system. So I'm going to swap a lot of job thingies that is available in this game. But when I saw the guide of it, it was so short, so maybe this will be a short series. I think so, but we don't know yet, but for sure, because there will be a lot of random encounters here in this game. So without further ado, let's play the game. Okay. Okay, what name? Marcus. Marcus Johannes. Spartacus. What the hell? U. V. Johannes. Q. Julius. Yep. Into the silence of one of the Gulgans prophesies that a great earthquake was only the beginning. The tremors tore the land asunder the crystals. Yet, that was nothing compared to the catastrophe to come. Something fathomless, anonymous within Laden's sorrow looms on the horizon. Oh, that was fast. For souls will be blessed with the power of light, and so it shall begin. Four orphan youths raised by Topapa in the rural village of Ur out to test their mettle. They came across a cave, one of the very same that formed when the crystals were lost to the earth. What started as a simple game of exploration became so much more. Ouch! Looks like we fell through a sinkhole. What do we do? Now what do we do? I'm sure this is a good idea. Maybe we can climb up. You wanted to go exploring? Don't be such a scaredy cat. Hey, quick squabbling, you two. We need to find a way out of here. Labate. Oh man. Cannot believe that this music was good. Wha- What were those monsters doing here? We're in way over our heads. Let's get out as fast as possible. Hmm, hmm. Potion. Hmm. Hmm. Huh? What is it? There's something strange about that rock. Now that you mention it. Hmm. Ow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, let's stop the recording. Just looking at the map. Hmm. Leather shield. Wait. Okay then. Is this it? Antarctic wind. Alright. That's the magic. Magic capsule. Mm-hmm. 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 And before we play 4, I think 4, fourth game, we will play the 3D remake of this. 3D remake, so we know what is the difference of the two versions. But for me though, this is still better, the pixelated one than the 3D. Look, it's a spring. Yeah, but why is it such a odd color? Let's take a sip. I'm not too sure about this. The pathogens from the wellspring. Wow, I feel revitalized. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Antarctic wind again. Wait, where's the... Where's the... What was it name? I forgot what is it called. What it's called. The secret toe area. Oh, what's going on? A malicious force attacks the party. Okay. Okay. Meow. Mhm. 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 Mm-mm-mm. The crystal shines brightly. You four have been chosen. Wow, wow, that crystal is talking. I give unto you the last of my light, and with it the last hope of a fading world. As things stand, light will soon disappear and the balance of the world will be destroyed. Accept the light into your hearts, and the crystals will grant you unimaginable strength. You have been chosen to be the bearers of our final chance at hope. Cannot allow the light to fade from the world. The party is enveloped in a bright light. Okay, let's get to the settings again. Oh man, the music. I love it so much. Oh, become dirty. And so began a journey to dispel the darkness and return the light to the world. The young heroes received the crystal's power. And with it, the world's last light of hope. Warrior Monk, White Mage, Black Mage, and Red Mage jobs are now available. Okay. Step upon the magic sigil to be transported to the surface. Embrace your destiny, Warriors of Light. Wait. Hmm. Okay, nice. Yes. Mm, jobs. Yeah, warrior. Hmm. Red mage will be optimal. White mage. Mm-mm. Okay, let's go in. There you go. 1,000. Okay, 1,000 gigil. Nice. Oh, that was good. Okay, 2,000. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Nice. Bronze bracers. Okay. Wait, what? Oh! Okay. Long sword, nice. This is for him. Nunchuck. Alright, this is for the Kung Fu guy. Okay, nothing here. Long sword again for the red mage. But okay. Dead. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh! Okay. Wait. What was the magic? Nope. Why, if it isn't you, four rascals, where are you running off to? What's that? Saving the world? Aren't you getting a bit old for make believe? The wellspring water from the sanctuary can restore the health of those who have received the light of the crystal, even from the brink of death. Yeah, I saw. The elders await you inside. It seems that Dan sensed what befell you all. He always did have a strong connection with the spirit world. If you want to use an item, okay. Wait. Wait, jobs. My right formation. Okay. Yes, the spirits have told me exactly what befell you. Now go speak with the elder Topapa. I believe he has some words of wisdom for you. Wait for now. The King Sasones Castle lies to the west. He rules the region surrounded by the Parmeni Mountains, including this village. To the south is the town of Kazus, but no one ventures out that far since the great earthquake. Word has it that the road is overrun with monsters. Okay. What can I do for you? Okay. Thank you. Hmm. At least the Black Mage can... A Black Mage can be armored with... Wait. Oh. Wait. Can the... Wait. Let's... Okay. What the... Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's change our jobs first to this guy. Or... Yeah. Let's do it. Let's differentiate. Or... we... use this. Okay. Let's use two warriors. Armor better. Two. Oh my, you're tenacious bunch to find me in here. Tell you what, I'll give you my secret poison stash. Just check the well. Oh. Potion. They are mini potion. Yeah, let's recuperate. Are you heading out on a journey? Well, you should rest up first and don't worry about payment tonight's on us. Wait. Oh? Okay. Oh, I know the answer. Can't you tell? Kasi minutes. A season travel always keeps up you antidotes and eye drops on hand. Hey, you look like you can play the piano. Give us a tune. A big old boulder is blocking the wall, so I can't get back to Canaan. Nothing left but to drink away my worries. Potion again. What? Don't tell me. I bet I can guess your specialties. Hang on. Warrior, red mage, warrior, red mage. Black mage. How'd I do? Okay. Wow. Okay, thank you. What can I do for you? Okay, let's rest. The party is well rested. HPMP restored. Okay, nice. What is this? Okay. Let's talk to the It's Nina, a motherly figure to the 4 orphans. Take care on your journey. You know how I worry so. It's Homak, one of the town elders. In order to understand the power you've been granted by the crystal, you need to be true to your heart. It's Topapa, the elder who raised the 4 orphans. Topapa, I know. To think that you 4 would be chosen by the light. Marcus, Johannes, Spartacus, and Julius. You must understand that such a meeting was no mere chance. The power of the crystal willed you to it, and its power. Willed you to it, such is its power. Your souls have been touched by the light. You cannot let the strength you've been granted go to waste. You must depart at once and seal away the powers of darkness. So we are going to another town. Thank you, elder. Save. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh, sorry. I thought you might be ghost too while traveling from the west. I came upon this accursed town. I'd stay away from the if I were you. It's full of ghosts. Okay. You mean they are cursed? The Digen's curse turn all the villagers into this. Okay. The devil. Okay. Let's go. Ay! Mithril. Oh, so this is a mining town, alright. Mining village, alright. Oh, wow. When I saw a mithril mine, that's a... Okay. I knew it. Okay. Holy! Ah! my god. Ah! I hate this game. My god. Man! Like, okay. Before we fight them, we need to oh. Oh my god. Wrong. Oh my god. Ay. Okay, we need to don't be a stupid idiot. Use shields. Wait, poison, right? Ah! Mm. Dead. Oh my god. Hey, let's grind. Hmm. Oh my god, man. Whew. Wrong way to tackle that. So we need to level up them first. All them. Okay. Okay, I will stop recording so I can grind a little bit. You know, fighting those stupid idiots. Okay, I'm back. Let's talk to the king. The Dungeons Curse turned everyone in the castle into ghosts. I was only spared because I was out on a mission at the time. If we had a mithril ring, we would be able to sail away the Legion again. Casus is the only place they can trap such a ring, but with the curse, how can we hope to find a mithril ring now? Okay, but we will explore it. I knew it. Eye drops, antidote, phoenix down, bow, wooden arrow. Oh my god, where can I go in this way? Wait, let me look. They are going to find... Oh, holy arrow. Wait. Wait, are they... I knew it. Okay. How to get in that castle though? Okay, let's go to the Sasong castle. Hey, let's defeat the first Kosovo's. Oh. Okay. Only mirroring made here in Casus can contain the digits power. That is why the digits curse this down. I've been trapped in tested trapping since the great epic. Now he's awakened. Well, all I want is to have a beautiful complexion. That's a girl. The townsfolk made a mithril ring for Princess Sarah of Sassone, of Castle Sassone once if only we could borrow it. Since the name, I'm from Canaan, but the boulder in Elf Valley is blocking my way. Now I'm stuck here. Figured I'd spend the night at the inn and this happened. What's my wife gonna say? Say, wanna take my airship for a spin? It's parked under the desert to the west of town. In return, you can do something about this here predicament. Okay. Thank you very much for that. Okay, let's rest. Let's rest for now. Gopper fish resisted. Okay. 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 Let's destroy it. Oh wow. Okay. Point. Point. Sealed cave. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's use the okay. The level is not Ur. Village of Ur. Oh, okay. Let's start. Okay. Oh my god. Blizzard. Ah, wait, what the fuck? Okay. 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 1,000. Thank you. The wellspring. Oh man. 4,000 at least. Excuse me. Okay, I know what to do now. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Go. Nice. Nope. Nope. Oh. Okay. We have the usual. Okay. I'm Sarah, Princess of Sasune. Your Highness, what are you doing here? I'm here to save my subjects, but I fear I cannot find a clear path through the monsters. Thankfully, my mithril ring spared me from the Daedrian's curse. Nevertheless, these caves are dangerous, Your Highness. You should return to the castle. I will not. I'll forge ahead alone if I have to. Your Highness, don't be so stubborn. Your Highness, won't you reconsider? Please, take me with you. You cannot sail away the Daedrian without my mithril ring. Then, I suppose we must. She joins the party, so... Oh, that's right. If you wish to talk to me, press the L button. Don't hesitate to ask me anything. Now let's be off. I'm Sarah and you are? I'm Marcus. A pleasure. I could only go so far alone before I reach my limit. It is most fortunate that you came along. I am in your debt. Okay. I must use this ring to seal away the Daedrian's power and save my people. Please escort me through this cavern. Okay. Nice. Oh! Nice. Eye drops, alright. Antarctic wind. The Gideon cannot control fire. Perhaps attacking with ice would help dose his flames. Alright, thank you for the tip, Your Highness. Nope, nope. Okay, at least we have it. Eye drops again. Is there any secret path here? Nice. Is the Gideon. Stand back, I will use my ring to banish the Gideon. Nothing happened. Wahahaha, you think that silly trinket will stop me now? I've joined forces with the darkness, and together we're edged above with the Gideon attack. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Yes! Now, Sarah, while the DJs we can use the ring. Sarah, raise the ring up high. Nice one. The Gideon dispersed like mist. The rings fastened deep within the cavern. Once again. Thank you so much. I would never been able to sail away the Gideon without your help. All that remains is to cast this ring into the wellspring in Casa Sasune, and the Gideon's curse will be lifted. For now, I'll use this ring's power to warp us back to the castle. But we need... Okay. Princess Sarah threw the ring in the wellspring. Nice. There. Now the Gideon's curse should be broken. We wouldn't be here without you all. Thank you. I suppose we must part ways. I have a duty to my father and my people after all. Would that I could travel with you, but I'd be only in your way. Sarah. Come back when you finish your journey. I'll be waiting for you for as long as it takes. Please swear to return. Oh well, royalty duties, I guess. Thank you, brave warriors. You have sealed away the Gideon and saved my precious Sarah. I owe you a debt of gratitude. Take this. I trust it will aid on your quest. Kanu. The White Slayer is in the western tower of Sasune. It's a holy sword bane of the undead. However, only a rage mage can wield it. Somewhere in the castle is a secret passage to the treasure vault. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Thank you, Warriors of Legend, with your heroes. The princess has missed you. Pero miss at the tower. Is at the top of the tower to the right. Okay, this one. Princess Sarah has been asking after you. Every chance she gets, she talks to nothing else. I have to stay here with my father. I could travel with you, but I'd be your highness. Come back when you finish the reel. I will be waiting for you. $6,000, alright. Okay, point. Let's check all the well done, and you could pull it off. Bet you're glad that bet you're glad you had my airship, huh? I'm just happy it was used for a good cause. Mind if I ask another favor? Can you get me back to the missus in Canaan? Please, she's been waiting a mighty long time. Okay. Since the name maybe you heard of me, I'm an expert airship craftsman. I'll help you know. The missus waiting for me until I can get back. Maybe if we affix metal prow to my airship, we can bust through the boulder. Taka the blacksmith in Casus might be able to help. The way to Canaan is blocked by a boulder in the valley. I can get home. Okay. But first, knew it. Okay. Okay. Mithril rod. Mithril sword. Okay. Oh my god. Knife. Oh wait. Okay. What was the spell you have here? Fire. Okay. Gloves. Okay. 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 Oh! Okay. So, fire damage. Okay. Okay, let's talk to the people. Thanks to you, I'm back to normal again. I feel fit as a fiddle. The only way through to the Permini mountain range is Nile Valley, and it's been blocked by a huge rock since the earthquake. The Casus made its fortune of its mine. Artisans from town and made weapons and armor out of the mithril here. Okay. Takas the finest blacksmith around. He lives by himself in this very house. This here is the entrance of this here is the entrance to the mithril mine. Okay. Okay, let's talk to the people here. What can I do for you? Nothing much. Okay. There's a hidden passage in that mine that take you to the deepest mine. To find it, go as far as you can. You can take 3 steps from the left hand side to look closely at the wall. Thank you for the information. Oh my healthy glow is back. It's all thanks to you. Huh? Okay. Been thinking about that boulder that's blocking the way to Canaan. I reckon if my airship had mithril prow, we can bust through. Say no more, get one ready for you in a jiffy. All done. No need to thank me, you saved the town after all. This is to show our appreciation. Now take care out there. Alright. Let's give that bothersome boulder a good old-fashioned whooping. Okay. Left hand. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. I will get back here later. First, oof. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Yabo. Ooh. Phew, we might have overdone it. I'll have nerves of steel. Okay. For now, this is the end. So, thank you for watching, everybody. Deus Volt, and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears, sing a our